So again, you touched a little bit on this, but some of the other things that we talked about, what would you say the benefits of giving through a community foundation is rather than giving directly to a charity? On the basis that we would always encourage people, of course, to give to a charity direct if they knew who they were and they felt confident about that. But, you know, what are the other benefits of giving through us that a donor would have if they actually had a fund with Kent Community Foundation?
I mean, being part of a community of like-minded philanthropists is a big plus for a lot of our fund holders. I know they enjoy the conversations they have with each other, you know, and the times when they meet and have discussions and so on. I know they find that really, really valuable. I mean, also as part of the foundation, fund holders are part of a county-wide impact, aren't they? So when we talk about the impact of the work we do, it's a collation of all of our individual funds, and we're able to actually share some really impressive data through that in that way. So you know, if a fund holder wanted to be part of something bigger, you know, a push for social good, then being part of a community foundation is definitely a way to do that. There's access to really current data on social issues that we share with our fund holders. We plug our fund holders into discussions. All this is as much as fund holder is interested in. I mean, our service is completely bespoke. So if a fund holder is not interested in that particularly, is just happy to, you know, make a donation, set up the fund, and away we go, then that's fine. But some of them are interested in that side of it, and we're able to kind of facilitate that for them. So that's really positive. I mean, we do a lot of when it's not, you know, lockdown and pandemic happening, facilitated visits to third sector organisations. So and quite a few of our fund holders really enjoy actually going with other fund holders, visiting a few organisations in a day or a couple in a morning, and seeing them in action and talking to the staff and the volunteers and the beneficiaries. It just kind of brings their giving to life, doesn't it, Josephine? So I know we've not been able to do that recently, but when we get back to it, that's a really valuable kind of element of the membership of the foundation, I think. Yeah, and I mean, basically the fund holder can enjoy the benefits and the joy of giving, as you said, without the stress, really. You know, they can relax that we've done all the work for them. So yeah, lots of reasons.
And then, as you say, pre-COVID times, other things that we have done for some of we call our donors fund holders. It's a term that community foundations use because they're donor advised funds. So, you know, we will call our donors fund holders. But some of the things in addition that we've done and what we can do for people is if they are looking to be a volunteer for a charity, then we can match what they're looking for with organisations that are looking for those kind of skills, you know, to the point of appointed trustee posts. And we have done that for some of our fund holders where they've wanted to become a trustee but weren't quite sure which charity to approach, and we've done that on their behalf. And also where we have fund holders who have children who are, you know, teenagers, and they are wanting to introduce them into the world of philanthropy, that we have helped set up volunteering opportunities for their families as well. So, you know, support over summer holidays for some of the local groups, and we've been able to do that too. So I think being part of the foundation family, Natalie, as you've described it, and it is a family of fund holders, then you know, there are far more additional benefits than just giving money directly to their local community.